how to manage poll notifications on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage poll notifications on Skype mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, and now click this one, settings, and now go down and you will find this one, notifications. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just find this one, poll notifications, and click on it if you want to turn it off. And as you see, poll notifications has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And as you see, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.